What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the Garage of Dreams, where on today's episode of Baguettes and Asbos, new to me, brakes. I know we've just put all new brakes on the ST, new pads, new discs, the lot. I've done one track day on them, so they will be up for sale. But these are big brakes, so they're off a Clio 197 Brembo 4 pots, and that'll give me the chance to run ST170 300mm discs. So currently the ST is running 268mm discs, so bigger surface area, more clamping force, better braking. I'm not quite sure on what pads to use yet. I'm currently running PBS Pro Race on the ST, which is outside. I'm thinking of going EBC RPX from what I've read. Quite aggressive, I believe, wear the discs, but this is solely a track car, so I'm not too fussed about that. So I bought these off Marketplace for £200. They're not in the best nick, but we're just going to get them fitted, and then probably at a later date I'll give them a proper rebuild. I bought some brackets off a chap called Nick Palmer on Facebook Marketplace. They should be in the next couple of days, so I'll show you them and we'll get them on. Right, so I'll give them a quick clean. Pulled the banjo bolt, pulled the bleed nipples. Really, they need vapor blasting or sandblasting, primering and painting, and a good rebuild. But because we're not monetized and we're not made of money for now, I'm just going to put them on, and like I say, later down the line we'll get these done. Right, magic. This is a fluid I'm going to run. As before, if you saw the other video, you saw me do all the brakes, flush the full system and put all this new fluid in. So hopefully we just need to give it a top up. I believe the braided lines I've already got will fit straight onto these, even though these are off a Renault. So next I'm going to pull the car in, get it jacked up, get the calipers off, get the discs off, see if these fit. Okay, so goodies have turned up. We've got bleed nipple kit from Frentech, and I wonder what this is. There's some weight in these. Brake brackets. More goodies. Let's see what. Well, they're brake pads, you don't need to see me open them. Gone for some cheap brake pads because, as I keep saying, not monetized, can't afford £200 brake pads at the minute. Next month, next payday, we'll get them. Used Brembo bolts. Nice. What else have we got? Oh, okay, oh, and even chucked in some cable ties. These are (3D) printed ST180 brake ducts. SKR Dynamics did these for me. I'll put the link in the description below. Go and hit them up, reasonably cheap, and they look like very good quality. Right, so it looks like I need to get these bolts cut down because they're protruding. So mark that there. Another little half-time break. It's about 20 past 8. Having me tea in the garage. Full-time job this. Because race car. Bit of pork and rice, sriracha, ooh, and garlic mayo, lovely. Right, back to the grind, no pun intended. There we go, flush fit. So cut the others down and then back to the car. Right, so now those bolts are cut down, tidied up. Let's try and see if we can get these brackets fitted. Now you can see my original intakes from the fog light ducts. Should be able to trim this down now and just bring it straight in. Be nice and neat and tidy. Looking forward to getting them fitted. I'm going to use the original disc because mine haven't turned up yet and we're only mocking up. It fits nice. Bit of copper slip. There we go. Right, so started on this side, then I've been over to the other side, back on this side. All the bubbles appear to be out. You always start from the furthest caliper away from the master cylinder. We're looking good. Brake ducts are in. Swap this round because I had it in the wrong way around. Some of you may have noticed, but we're looking good. Get the wheel on, give these a test. I'm still waiting for the discs. The discs are being machined and should be posted out on Monday. But by the time you're watching it, this will be done. Right, we're back on the bench with a box, so you know what that means. New parts day. I know what these are. These are my brake discs. I've been waiting about 4 or 5 weeks for these. They have been machined. It takes a little bit longer, it's not a stock item. My days, they are big. They're well packaged. Look at those. Bigger than my head. Quite heavy. It's not good for the unsprung mass. That's the weight that counts. That's the good weight or the bad weight. Right, so I've just took the wheel off. You didn't need to see that. The car's been outside because you probably see we've been doing some work on John's, so the discs are a little bit rusty. I've put the original discs back on with the new calipers. Just so I could move it on and off the drive really, or in and out of the garage should I say. And then here we go. Size difference in them. There we have it. Big brake conversion. There we have it. Big brakes fitted, 300mm. So I'm not going to give it a road test now. I have booked a track day for the 15th of October at Alton Park. So can't wait to get it out. New diff, new brakes. Hopefully new personal best. Right, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching as always. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, tell your mum, tell your nan. See you on the next one.